Namaste. Welcome to JVN Education. Stay happy, be blessed. Hope आप सभी अपने घरों में safe हैं. My name is Kamal Thakur, Assistant Professor of Geography at Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. So today's subject is climatology, and the topic is about weather and climate. Weather. What is weather? When we say the weather word, it denotes the physical state of atmosphere over a short period of time relating to temperature, pressure, humidity, etc. Here I am mentioning the short period. So this is the short period condition of temperature, pressure, humidity, etc. at given place. Next is meteorology. It is a systematic science of atmosphere relating to various physical processes involved in the lower and inner layers of atmosphere. The state of atmosphere at a particular place and time as regards heat, cloudiness, dryness, sunshine, wind, rain, etc. It denotes the weather of that particular place. When we say it is hot, it is moist and cloudy, this weather is a particular type. Okay, weather never remains same, it changes from place to place and time to time. So this is a very small time phenomena there, we can say. In India we can experience different weather conditions at various places. Okay, as India is a vast country, this is because of its physical and its locational extent that gives it different weather phenomena at different places there. The northwest part experience hot weather in the summers, but it is cool and pleasant weather in the Himalayan region and in the coastal areas there. Okay, so next there is climate means the average atmospheric condition of various elements of the weather over long period of time. A minimum of 35 years is desirable. It is the accumulation of the atmospheric conditions. What is it? Atmospheric condition, those are temperature, rainfall, moisture. These are accumulated data that we calculate within the 35 years, or it could be desirable from 30 to 35 it could be there. Okay, climatology is the science of the climate, studying the various processes involved in the study of various weather phenomena over a long period of time. It is a long period of time, and when we say weather, it is the short period. Okay, this is the main thing here. Climatology. Now we understood the climate and we understood the weather there. What is a climatology? Now it is made up of clima and logos. Clima means the slope of the earth. Slope is dedicated to the latitudes. What are the latitudinal extent there? And logos means the study. Only when we say the logy is the study of anything there. Okay, so when it is a climatology, it is the study of climate there. Okay, according to Critchfield, climatology is the science that seeks to describe and explain the nature of climate. Okay, nature of climate, how it differs from place to place and how it is related to man's activities, how the humans are affected by the climate there. He also said climatology represents it as a spatial and temporal study. What is spatial and temporal means here? So spatial and temporal means, when we say spatial is about the space and temporal is about the time. Okay. Next is the importance of weather and climate. It is obviously important to us as we are living on the habitat planet to the humans and to the animals there. Okay, so due to the environment, due to the climate there, and we are living on the earth's surface, weather and climate conditions make large impact on human life and its all other aligned activities. Human activities like food, shelter, clothes, health, mental condition, or psychological conditions are derived from the weather and climate. In the ancient time, the ships were guided by the blowing winds in a particular direction. The winds are the guide to the those ships when there was no uh, advanced navigation system there. Okay, the study of climate and weather forecast help in the practicing of agriculture. It tell about the when we should sow our seeds, when should be the ripen or ripe field should be chopped off from the fields there. This is how weather forecasting is important for the agriculture. Weather satellites are helpful for the forecasting of flood, tsunami, and cyclone, etc. Okay, this is it for the class. This session was powered by the digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapet Women's University, and hope you are satisfied with this digital lesson, and I am thankful to you. If you have any query, any questions, you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you.